Hello, welcome students. Let me continue with the same pattern that we have learned of the tenses. In the last lecture, we have seen the one example with the one subject only. Let me ask you for one more practice sentence. That is, rather than if we take I, we, if we take he, she, it, that is the third person singular subjects. Some changes are there in the simple present only. Other tenses you will not find any difficulty. See here example I have given here. He makes a kite. In the previous exam we have written I make a kite. Rather than if we take singular third person subject, third person, that is when two people talk about the third person, that is the third person, and singular he, she, it, they, like that. So these subjects always takes yes or es for the verb in the simple present tense, only in the simple present. So let's study this example with all the three tenses, that is simple tenses, simple present, simple past and simple future. He makes a kite. The negative of this one is not with the don't. The negative of this one is with doesn't. And here again when does is taken there, yes is removed and the original verb is written in the negative. That is, he makes a kite. He does not make a kite. He does not make a kite. He made a kite, simple past. As previously we have studied very well. The same. He made a kite. He didn't. And again, made is changed into make. Why? Because the auxiliary did takes away the tense. That is why he did not make a kite. And here again one more change. Rather than shall, we use will. He will make a kite. He won't make a kite. He won't make a kite. Let me tell you the expansion of all these sentences with the positive negative variety, as well as the positive negative yes no type questions, verbal question, and positive negative WH question. The same sentence is written there 6 times in the only simple present tense, means he makes a kite. This sentence is written 6 times. Also you have to write this sentence, he made a kite and he will make a kite, 6 times in the same pattern. He makes a kite, the same pattern you have studied here. He doesn't make a kite, negative. This is positive sentence, this is negative. He doesn't make a kite. Now questions, remember very well how the verbal questions are formed. Always the auxiliary first and then subject is there. Always the auxiliary first is there and then we write the subject. The change is there in auxiliary and subject. He makes a kite, he doesn't make a kite. Does he make a kite? And negative question is there. Doesn't he make a kite? The questions, verbal questions, does he make a kite and doesn't he make a kite? Doesn't he make a kite? See the changes. Again, only WH word is added. The structure is the same. Does he make a kite? The same structure. Before that, I added only here WH word. And doesn't he make, the same structure is there. I added only WH word. So this is the very simplest form how to frame the questions. First learn the verbal questions and automatically you will learn WH questions. So this is about the one more example from the simple present tense. And again 3 sentences were given to you for the practice with the verb. I remember very well. Listen. This verb was given to you. I think you may have completed the 18 sentences. That is, we listened a story. Simple present was there. We listened a story. Simple past. And we shall listen a story. This is a simple future. These 3 sentences were given to you for more practice of the same tenses, that is simple three tenses, and the one more sentence was given. I have given you also one more example by changing the subject. Rather than I used here he, and changes you notice very well. Makes, doesn't. Made, again didn't, same result. So only one change you must notice, this one. And here in the future, rather than shall, we have to use will, and the negative is won't. So this is about the three simple tenses, that is simple present, simple past, and simple future. Now we shall move ahead for the next category, that is continuous tenses. Continuous tenses. See here, continuous tenses. The second one. The second one is there. Now in the continuous tenses we shall see first present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous. The first one is here. Present continuous tense. I think Marathi word was also given to me. अपूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. अपूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. Now the action is not completed. तिन्ही मुख्य काळांच्या मधल्या क्रिया अपूर्ण असतात, तेव्हा आपण तिन्ही ठिकाणी कंटिन्युअस प्रोग्रेसिव्ह टेन्सेस या काळांचा उपयोग करतो. What is the structure of this one is there. Now you will need every time the proper auxiliaries. The charts that were given to you, you have to learn them very well. Without these charts, you cannot form the sentences in continuous tenses. They are very important. Now see the structure. The same sentence I shall write here. I am making a kite. That is continuous. What is the structure is there? Subject plus auxiliaries. Which auxiliaries are there? Three auxiliaries are there. To be forms in the present tense. Plus main verb plus ing plus object. This is the structure is there of the present continuous. Means now you will need how the auxiliaries are used. The charts are given. Am, is, are chart was given. Was, where was given. Then do, does, did, have, has. All these charts are very useful. This is the structure. Subject plus auxiliary, that is to be forms present tense. Verb plus ing plus object is the structure. Now the negative of this one is very easy. For every time negative sentences we need auxiliary with negative form, that is contrary forms we use. Now you need not to worry about the auxiliaries and negative forms, because after this every tense has the auxiliaries there, and just you have to add one word here. I am making, we can say that I amn't making, I amn't making a kite. That is negative action. I amn't making a kite. Just one word addition is there. Then second, we can say afterward present continuous, past continuous. Past continuous tense. अपूर्ण भूतकाळ. Same sentence. Now only auxiliary changes there. I was making a kite. I was making a kite. What is structure change is that subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. Notice the change. Only these auxiliaries are in the present to be forms, and here the to be past tense is used. So verb plus ing same is there, subject is same is there. Only auxiliary changes in the continuous tenses. And number 3 is there future continuous tense. What are the changes are there? I shall be making a kite. So this is the third pattern of continuous tense. Subject plus shall or will as per the subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus object. So observe this one. Observation will give you exact understanding. What changes I have made here in the continuous tenses? Everywhere you will see here verb plus ing, verb plus ing, verb plus ing. That is we know going, talking, listening, teaching. Every time we use them. But this pattern is there for the continuous action, incomplete action is there. Just before them, in the present continuous we use am, is, are as per the changing subject. In the past continuous we use was, were as per the subject, and in the future continuous we use shall or will, and be is continuous there. So this one more change is there. Just go to the negative one. So here I am making, I am making. I was making, I wasn't making. I wasn't making a kite. Here also same one. I shalln't making. Sorry, I shalln't be making a kite. What changes you have noticed in the continuous tense? You have noticed the changes only in the auxiliaries. The main verb plus ing continuous is there. Only auxiliaries are changed. To be present, present continuous. To be past tense, past continuous. And shall be or will be, future continuous. And in the negative sentences, just one addition is there. Am, amn't, is, isn't, are, aren't. Was, wasn't, were, weren't. Just negative is there. Shall, will, that we can say shalln't or won't. Be is the same. Just add not or negation to the auxiliaries, automatically you will form the negative sentences. What thing is remained there for the expansion of these ideas to know completely? Again, if I take the one sentence from the continuous present tense, I am making a kite. What pattern we used for the verbal question? Just shifting the places of the subject and auxiliary. See, I am making a kite. We have written also negative. I amn't making a kite. That is negative and positive sentence. This is positive, this is negative. First pattern. Second, verbal questions. Am I? Am I making a kite? Am I making a kite? Verbal question. Negative question. Amn't I making a kite? This is second pattern of the verbal question. And in the third one, you can see here the same pattern I will keep here. Am I? Just I will make one change. A is capital here. I shall write small. Why am I? Why am I making a kite? And why amn't I making a kite? Question. So same what we learned in the previous lecture, how to make the positive and negative sentences. So every time we need negative form of the auxiliary. In the simple present you do not find the auxiliaries, and in the simple past there we used don't and doesn't in the simple present, and in the simple past we used didn't. But be careful about using doesn't and didn't. When you will use doesn't, remove the yes form or the yes of the verb, and when you use didn't, change the main verb again into present one. This one more important change is there. Otherwise, on the all the other tenses you will find everywhere the auxiliaries, where you have to add just the negative form of it and the negative sentence is formed. Very simple method. And after that only one change is there. Auxiliary is first and subject is afterward. This gives you idea to form the verbal question. And when verbal question is formed, just behind it you have to put WH question. This gives you idea how to frame the WH question. But if you practice this way, you will get the meanings also very well. And the work is given to you this sentence, that is simple past and simple future. You have to write again here and practice the same way. So 6 sentences of this one, that is the second one is there. This is the first one, and again third one. You have to write 6 sentences of this one. Same way. 6 sentences you have to complete that. How? The first positive sentence, I was making a kite. Negative, I wasn't making a kite. Question, was I? First positive question. Like am I? Here you will write, was I making a kite? Wasn't I making a kite? And why was I making a kite? Why wasn't I making a kite? The very simple way, if you observe this one, you can complete this one. So whatever the sentences we have taken about with the listen, that is I remember very well. The sentences is there. We listen a story. This sentence is given for practice also. Now practice of this one, that is positive negative sentence, positive negative verbal question, just shifting the subject and auxiliary, and then putting behind them the WH word. Am I? I have written on why. Amn't I? Why amn't I? Just this change is there. In the same way, when you complete this one, again take this sentence, whatever given in the present tense, you have to change here into continuous tense, like that. Continuous tense will be like that. We are listening a story. This will be the present continuous. You have to change the past continuous like that. Are will be removed and was were. Now we is there, the plural subject. Rather than was, you have to use we were. So 6 sentences of this one also. Then we were listening a story. 6 sentences of this one, and again we shall be listening a story. This one more example is there. See, just you have to complete this work, that is second number sentence here again, third number sentence here again, and after one more practice of these sentences, we are listening. Means I have changed only subject. I am listening, making. Here I have taken another verb, that is listening. And you have to write the present continuous 6 times in the same way, past continuous 6 times, and future continuous 6 times. The same way you have to change this one. Means we are practicing with the two verbs, that is make and listen. Make and listen simultaneously. Here make a kite, here listen a story. So whatever you will observe, you have to complete this one. And very soon you have to give me feedback. Whatever you have watched the videos, completed the homework, and the same queries are there. If are there queries, send them also. We shall satisfy them also. Okay. Till then, practice yourself. Have a good day.